the biggest stakeholders of this event. Dear students, I have a simple question for you. Has everybody celebrated Mother's Day yesterday? By providing pictures in your DP, in social media, and maybe providing some gifts to your mother? Okay, have you thought, I am just going to this concept of the innovative competition. When you are going to some mall and trying to present a shari to your mother, have you ever thought that it will be very difficult for a person of roughly 45 to 55 years old to go for the trial room and check the shari? Have you ever thought that is it possible to make an audio-visual virtual trial room for those people? And do you know the name of Hemant Satyanarayana? A graduated from IIT Madras whose startup first built the audio-visual virtual trial room using augmented reality technology for these people. And that is probably one of the best gifts for the Mother's Day just celebrated yesterday. How many of we are busy with our smartphone? Because within 5 minutes we have to check what will be our likes and dislikes, maybe likes, how the counts are progressed. Everybody, we are fascinated with that. Those who have slightly difficulties in their eyes, the visually impaired, is it possible for them to check their social media status within 5 minutes? Do you name the name of Anirudh Sharma? A person graduated from a Tier 3 engineering college who first developed a haptic shoe for the visually impaired people which works on a smartphone app with every step. And these are not the stories of the so-called great countries. The stories come from the last 4 to 5 years, last 7 years from our own country. Probably one of the motto of this innovative competition to help the society. To help the society in such a way so that people can develop for those people who are slightly having discomfort or not actually moving with the same pace as we are moving. Dear students, please think about them. That is the motto why TINT is going to organize this sort of thing. Do you know the name of Priyanka Sharma? A graduate from a Tier 2 engineering college, later moved to obviously US, who tried to develop. And normally we think about for visually impaired people, I have visited so many competitions and people are providing blind sticks and something like this. Priyanka Sharma moved slightly ahead. He tried to develop for the visually impaired people the facility where without GPS technology they can move elsewhere because they have slight difficulties. Dear students, respected dignitaries, respected officials of TINT, principals and registrars, thank you for providing the platform. From there, that sort of innovation should come out which will help our society, our civilization. Thank you.